Hi, welcome to CJ Why Money Entertainment, and welcome to my Halloween feast. I just want to show my audience what I'm serving for Halloween before my guest comes. I am a witch doctor, as you can tell. And I'm going to show you everything on the table that I've prepared for my guests. From the blood wine, oozing brains, shrunken heads, worms, crow bones, lizard tails, bat wings, and my stew. Happy Halloween to all! Happy Halloween and a toast to all. Taste it. If you'd like to know how I prepared any of the things that you see today, there should be a video prior. If not, look in my description below.